Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to activate Capital One credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in the official website for Capital One Bank, which is www.capitalone.com, and press enter to end up in the official web page. From the official page, mouse over to the credit cards tab at the top and under common account task, click on activate credit card. You'll be able to see two options in the pop-up. You'll need to have a Capital One online account in order to activate your credit card. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the enroll and activate link and follow through the instructions to both enroll and activate your credit card. If you already have an account, pick this first sign in and activate link. Enter your username and password associated with Capital One account. If you don't remember your username and password, click on the forgot username or password link and follow through the on-screen prompts to look for your credentials. Finally, click the sign in button and follow the instructions till the end, and on the next page, enter your new credit card's information you would like to activate for Capital One. That is how you'll be able to activate your Capital One credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.